Wrapping a brisket, when to do it and how. The reason that you would want to wrap a brisket is for a couple of different reasons. To begin with, you want to stop the creation of the bark. You want to possibly stop the introduction of smoke into your meat. And the last one is you want to speed up your cooking process. So if you're the type of person, or if you're looking for a type of brisket that has a smoky flavor but is not overpowering, well then wrapping is a way to go. And also within the wrapping, butcher paper and foil paper, they also have different methods on or reasons why you would wrap them in each one. So when you wrap it in butcher paper, it's going to still give it a little bit more of that smoky flavor. When you wrap it in foil paper, you're going to pretty much stop the introduction of smoke. So the reason that I am going to wrap these briskets is because I want to stop the creation of the bark. I am happy with the bark, the color, and also I wanted to not necessarily speed up the process, but you know, help it along the way. These are pretty big briskets. So I'm going to show you the method that I use. I'm going to be using butcher paper for this one. So first things first, you want to make sure you get the right butcher paper. It's not just any type of paper. It has to be the one that's meant for smoking. You want to get yourself two long pieces that is going to be able to cover the entire brisket at least once. You're going to want to go ahead and overlay them about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Wrap it over once. Tuck in the corners. Tuck in the outside. Turn it over. Get yourself one more piece. This last one, you want to make sure that you're able to tuck it in underneath. This is the top of my brisket, the way I'm going to put it back on the smoker. I'm going to go ahead and put this underneath like this. And then you just go ahead and stick this baby back in your smoker and continue smoking it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below.